Hi there, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll show you how to comment anonymously on Facebook group. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the main menu. Then, tap on groups and select the group where you want to post or comment anonymously. Next, tap the shield icon in the top right corner of the group page and select group settings. Scroll down and look for the option called Anonymous Participation. Make sure it's enabled. This feature allows group members to post and comment without revealing their names. Note, only admins can enable this feature. If you don't see it, the group may not support anonymous activity. Once anonymous participation is enabled, go back to the group and find the post you want to comment on. Start typing your comment, and you'll see an option to comment anonymously appear. Tap that, and your comment will be submitted without showing your name or profile. And there you have it. If you found my video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more practical tips. Thanks for watching.